What's the meaning of Armagh? Armagh. Armagh.
Armagh. Armagh. Armagh is a city located in Northern Ireland, UK. The name Armagh comes from the Irish word Ard Macha, which means Macha's height. Macha was a legendary figure in Irish mythology, associated with supernatural powers and strength. Ard means height or hill. Thus, Armagh translates to Macha's hill or height of Macha. The city is known for its religious significance, being the ecclesiastical capital of Ireland, and is home to both Catholic and Protestant cathedrals. It is also known for its Georgian architecture and cultural heritage.